Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did my makeup for Lumine from Genshin Impact. I've got a lot of comments that you guys like my voiceovers, so I'm going to try to make them for every video I make from now on. I've already taped my face as I usually do to make my cheeks smaller, and I'm applying my foundation now. Next, I apply my concealer, and I prefer my face to be as even as possible for cosplay, so yeah, there's a lot of concealer. Then I apply loose powder with the wet sponge on my whole face, so my face looks very smooth and so my makeup stays on the whole day. Then I fill in my eyebrows with light brown color and set them in place with clear eyebrow gel. I didn't change their shape because I felt like mine fits pretty well for this. I put lenses in my eyes, and I know Lumine's eyes are more orange in game, but they're pretty yellow on the concept art, so I chose this pair because it's probably one of my favorite yellow pair I own. I applied light peach color all over my eyelid and bottom lash line as a base. And then I apply darker shade in both corners of my eye, ignoring the center, creating halo effect. I also apply it under my eye. Take a bright orange color that I'm planning to use as a blush later and apply it in the outer corner. I draw back under my eye and highlight on top of it because it looks very cute. Then I take this gorgeous golden liquid eyeshadow and put it on the center of my eyelid. I find all liquid glitters like this are very hard to blend out so they don't look patchy, but I do my best. I also put on a dot under my eye so it kinda connects to the rest of the glitter, so it finishes the halo eye effect. Then I do my eyeliner painfully slow. I feel like I'm never going to learn how to do it while holding a mirror and trying to stay in the camera view. Oops, I drew it too long here, so I remove excess with a Q-tip and fill in the eyeshadow hole with a brush I used earlier. I don't put on any extra eyeshadow on it, I'm just using whatever was left on it. Then I curl my eyelashes and put on waterproof mascara so it holds the curl. And then I draw two very prominent eyelashes like Lumine has on the bottom lash line and I finish it off with putting mascara on the bottom lashes as well. Then I use this light pink pencil on my waterline, and this pencil is pretty old, so I don't think they produce it anymore, but any other light pink pencil will work just as fine. Then I contour my nose and put on the blush on my cheeks. And I also doubled the nose contour with it, so it looks cuter. And then I spread what's left on the brush on my jawline and my forehead. Then I apply this beautiful golden highlighter, my favorite out of all the ones I own by the way, on the bridge and the tip of my nose, my cupid bow, and my cheekbones. Then I use this nude lipstick, which is pretty close to the natural color of my lips. And after I applied all over my lips, I just blend it out. And while I'm doing it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button if you like this video. I smooth the edges with a bit of concealer on a small brush. And then I glue on my false eyelashes. And after a bit of struggle, we're done!